Overhead. Munti kaya si referee. Break. Referee, munti na ka na po. Professional boxers po yung yan. Sarap matulog.
Wala dito si Buddy.
Yun lang kayo makakita. Cameraman, dalawa yung camera.
Camera girl.
Camera girl pala. Dalawa. Recorder.
Multitasking.
Oh.
Timer. Timer.
Once again.
Timer. Ano pong timer?
Last 1 minute.
Wow. Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute of the second round. Rematch.
Iba talaga pag naka-black shorts at naka-Nike shoes. Tapos naka-headgear. Tapos may boxing glove na twins.
Headgear. Time. Headgear. Last 30 seconds. Last
30 seconds to round 2.
30 seconds. Walang ayaw. Oh! Superman. The same period kasi MMA.
Ayaw, Bek! Pasok na! Marahin yan! Para mo kayo
So, nagkaroon kami ng nasty
Pasok na!
blast dito ng pangalawang turn. Last 10 seconds.
End of round 2.